Welcome to the world premiere of the MANSORY Coastline, a stunning transformation of the iconic Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This luxurious masterpiece is a complete vehicle conversion that elevates the Cullinan's elegance to new heights. Adorned in a breathtaking matte two-tone special paint, the Coastline seamlessly blends ocean blue with secret silver, creating a striking visual harmony. The MANSORY designers have meticulously crafted all aerodynamic body parts using premium forged carbon, ensuring both style and performance. Step inside, and you'll be enveloped in a full leather interior finished in a vibrant turquoise. Every detail is designed for opulence, with high-gloss polished lacquer surfaces gleaming elegantly in the cockpit. Intricate embroidery of the MANSORY lettering on the seats and floor mats adds a personal touch, making each journey a statement of luxury. But the MANSORY Coastline is not just about looks. Under the hood, the Cullinan's V12 engine has been upgraded to deliver an exhilarating 610 horsepower, with an impressive torque of 950 Nm. This transformation propels the Coastline from 0 to 100 km/h in just 5 seconds, with a top speed of 280 km/h. To complement this power, the Coastline features 24-inch FS23 multi-spoke wheels, crafted from lightweight aluminum alloys, ensuring both performance and high-speed capability. The redesigned front apron boasts larger air intakes and a lightweight carbon fiber bonnet, giving the Cullinan a more dynamic and confident presence. The flanks and rear have also been artfully reshaped, enhancing aerodynamics and creating a sleek silhouette. Limited to just 8 conversions worldwide, the MANSORY Coastline is a testament to the art of automobile refinement. Each component is crafted to create a perfect symbiosis of luxurious flair and lifestyle demands.